Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to find people by location on Facebook. It's pretty simple, let's get started. The first way is to tap on People tab and next tap on search icon. Enter the name you want to search, for example Elon Musk, choose it, and you will see all people with Elon Musk name. Without location, what to do? You can add the location in search bar, for example Elon Musk Los Angeles. Enter. You will see Elon Musk's accounts in the state of California where the city of Los Angeles is located. If you enter another city, such as Mumbai, you will see other accounts with Elon Musk name. The second search method is more accurate. To do this, tap on Home icon and next tap on Search icon at the top right of the screen. Enter any name, search bar, OK, enter. Now select the People tab and here you will see filter icon at the top right of the screen. Tap on it. Now you can find a person not only by location but also by education, work or friends. Click on City and choose proposed city, for example Austin, and click on Show Results. Now we only see Elon Musk's accounts that list Austin as their city of residence. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, have a nice day, see you next time.